For the report functionalities with the LearnDash dashboard, we have a course-specific essay report, and all the essay reports are going to be displayed from here. And you can also have a complete detail on those essays, what has been submitted, what content has been included there, which course they belong, which lesson they belong, and what was the quiz name. And so you are getting a complete summary of that particular essay submission. And if you want to approve it from the front end as a instructor or a site admin, you can approve them and assign them points, like this one, like status is approved or not approved. So you are getting a data, it is graded or not graded, and you can approve it, then it will be graded. So this is for the essay report. So as an instructor, you do not have to go to the back end to grade them. You can do that grading from the front end. Same thing for the assignment upload. So as a instructor, you are getting all the assignment for your courses, and you can filter them based on the course and to which lesson or the topic they belong. And suppose that this course has any assignment, then it will display. If it doesn't have any assignment, it will display based on any course which has the assignment. Then the assignment title, then you can also check to which course it belong, like the first course for the front end, it belong to that one. And the topic, first course. And if you want to approve it from the front end, then you can also approve it, then it will be, a status will be displayed as approved. So as an instructor, you also have a functionality to approve all the assignment upload from the front end, and you are getting a complete summary of that assignment data, when it is submitted, by whom it is submitted, and if it has any comment. And you can also navigate back to that assignment in one click. So you can download that assignment file, and if you want to navigate back to that assignment or download that assignment, you can just click on that one, then assignment will be downloaded. So you do not have to go to that particular course or lesson that to download assignment. You can just download from in one click. For the quiz report, you are getting all the quiz specific reports here, and you can filter them based on courses, what you have, and who has submitted those quizzes. Let me check for the one specific course. So we have two quizzes there. So this course has been submitted by these people, so any status has been recorded for that second poll. Two people has submitted, one is pending, and one has 0% score, 12% score. These two are pending, like they had went submitted that data, and what submission has been done by that particular student. You can also have a complete report on that one. So you can click on the view to expand what answers has been submitted on that one. And so we have a summary of quizzes here. Close. And if you want to be a report on this one, so everything is coming like this. And if you want to reset the statistics, that can also be done here. Okay, next one is the quiz attempt, like how many attempt has been done by any student on those quizzes. So yeah, you can go by student, like the first student, this student has taken these quizzes, and how many attempts they have done, it is graded or not, how many points they have got, and what are the statistics of those quizzes. They can view it from here. Close. The next one is the submitted essay, like who has submitted those essays. And essay report and submitted essay are two different things. So if you are going to the submitted essay, so it is going to display all the essays has been submitted here in the complete listing, and it is coming from all the student, like complete bringing all the indexing from the front end to the front end from the back end. So you have all these essay. So there are two essay specific, essay report, and submitted essay. Submitted essay is a collection of all the essay what has been submitted in terms of their date submission. And essay report is based on, you have a course filter, lesson filter, so you can have a more detailed info like to which course it belongs, so you can filter them out and check them course by course. And this one, it is a submission, it is more specific to student specific data and in the incremental date order. Next one is the course report. You are getting a complete summary of your courses in this one with their time log. So something like this, like if nothing is selected, it is going to give a course summary. Like this course, there are 5 students, out of 2 has completed their courses, 3 still in the progress, out of 3 none of them has started, and overall course progress for this course is 40%. And this is the time spent by all the students in this course, and this is the average time of completion taken by these 2 people. Okay, and if you want to select one individual course on that one, that is going to display all the student based report, which student has made their progress and who has completed, when they had completed, how much time they have spent on this individual course, and you can export it as an Excel sheet or as a CSV file. So as an instructor, you are having a complete report control for your student for courses, essay, quiz attempt, quiz report, so you can grade them or approve them from the front end. In the course activity, you are getting a time log for all the activity done by your student, like which student has completed their course, which student has completed their lesson. So you are getting a complete time stamp, like a real-time feed for all the activities are done by your student, and these are activities specific to quiz completion, lesson completion, topic completion, or the when they had started enrolled to the course, or when they had completed that specific course. So these are everything what is going to cover the reporting functionality. Next will be the monetization functionality, how we can connect it and how we can utilize it. That will be covered in our next video. Thank you.